Let's move on to MiX Telematics, which is a fleet management and vehicle tracking company.
Exactly. Now, there are a couple of those here in South Africa. We also have CarTrack, which is listed, and we have Digicore, but this is the one that's the largest player now from a listed market perspective.
Main brands, Matrix and BME.
Correct. And remember, it is 26 or something percent owned by the Imperial Group. That's interesting. Market capitalization?
2.4 billion rand, trades on a PE ratio of 15, dividend yield of 3%, again, according to your numbers.
Yeah, well, those are a little bit old, but I'm pretty sure those are the right numbers. Remember, it's a little bit confusing because it lists itself also secondarily in the United States of America because they opened a big operation there. So it has some shareholders there, some here, and sometimes those numbers get a bit mangled.
Are you enthusiastic about the MiX Telematics story?
Yeah, I remember South Africa has been a market leader in vehicle tracking technology, and I don't know, I suppose there was a security concern and paranoia here. So they've got some pretty good systems available online so fleet managers can manage what's going on with the vehicles. And it's used mostly in vehicles, trucks, high-value satellite-tracked delivery systems, in addition, obviously, to the retail market. And they focused, before anybody else did, on selling systems with monthly subscriptions rather than a once-off type cost, and that's worked well for them.
Share we are going to be looking at
Been a bit volatile, sort of flew higher, got a little bit crunched when people kind of realized it. Yeah, it's sort of here or there. I like the guys, though. Management team, Steph Jofalovitz, who's based over in the US. Some of the local managers, good guys.
It's a very robust business model, the vehicle tracking, especially when you're looking at environments where people will be wanting to take operating costs out, and part of the smooth running of all those processes, incredibly important.
Yeah, indeed. And as we know, there are a lot of high-value cargoes going around. Logistics is a big industry, lots of players there. So clearly there's good work to be done.
Can we call it hot or not?
I'm happy to go with hot on this one. I liked it for a while, and I think it's a smaller market cap company that certainly
still
is
big enough for you, though, because anything over R1 billion has your a billion rand has your focus.
Anything smaller than that is considered a little bit frisky for the hot stocks portfolio, on account just generally that companies of that scale, once they're bigger than R1 billion market cap, means that they've evolved, they've sweated through a few cycles. They're not some new hotshot that has just arrived.